Hello guys and welcome back to AutoEye channel. Today I'm going to show you how to apply a car boot logo animation into an Android head unit. So basically I have found a site searching from Google search engine. This is a forum. In this forum many people are there to help each other to have a better car logo animation, boot logo animation. So here you will find a lot of different model cars boot logo animation. Mine is a Toyota, so I will go for this. But first, before, you have to check the resolution of your Android head unit. Mine is 1024 multiplied by 600, so I'm going to choose these available sources. You need to download them, install them in a pen drive, and then that pen drive should be inserted into your Android car head unit. I will show you everything step by step. Stay with me. Okay, now I just turned on my car Android head unit. So this is my head unit basically. In this pen drive I have downloaded all those files. Now I need to insert this pen drive. I'm going to plug into this. Sorry, I had to do with one hand. Well, as I've connected the pen drive with the Android head unit. Now before that I need to show it. In the menu section we have a boot animation icon. Okay, this is one of the app. In this app there is only one application named Android. This is the factory part, but we need to, what we have downloaded from this pen drive, we need to initiate them from the system. So okay, from the top we found another icon named menu. Okay, yes, menu. We need to click it. Now it says import from existing storage, external storage. When you click it, you need to write top way. TOPWAY. So it is TOPWAY, top way. Okay. It will download all the relevant files from here. Oh, it's taking so much time. Okay, I'm repeating it again. Yes, I found them all. Now each of them you can click and select like this, the dressing card. Okay, I'll prefer this one. Let me see how does it look like. It will take a couple of seconds. The first thing first, the Toyota logo has appeared. Later on the animation will appear. This is the animation. I'm going to give in my video description, the link. So you'll find the link and you can download the files as shown in this video. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay happy. Bye bye.